Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set guided access passcode on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on guided access. In here, tap on passcode settings. And then tap on Set Guided Access Passcode. And in here say enter a passcode. So I'm going to put in my custom passcode. So we put in the passcode again to confirm. And that's it. So we have now successfully set the guided access passcode. So whenever we want to turn on guided access, so let me just turn it on. So I will triple click on the side button and then turn on guided access. Okay, so guided access is now started. And when we want to turn off guided access, you can see it will ask for a passcode to turn off. And we have to simply put in the passcode to switch it off. And then tap on end. And that's it. So that's how you can set guided access passcode on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.